What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy GRT, the GRT token on Coinbase. So for the first step, we will have to log into our Coinbase account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. Now you see three options on the right top corner: a deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. Of course we want to buy these coins, so we will click on the buy and sell option, and after that the purchasing overview will be opened. Now, the first option they will give you is a purchase frequency. It's set it on a one-time purchase, but if you click on it, then you can select the purchase frequency which suits for you. After you have selected it, I will keep it for now on a one-time purchase. Then you can head back to this overview and fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use for this purchase. Let's say we want to use 2 euros. After that, you can select the asset which you want to buy. It's now selected on Bitcoin, but we would like to buy the GRT token, the GRT. Tick in GRT in the search bar and there the coin will appear. Now select it, and after that you can select the payment method you would like to use to buy these coins. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, but if you use another currency or you want to use another payment method, just select it and there you can select the payment method you would like to use. If you don't see any options, you can simply add a payment method by clicking on the button below. If that is not possible, then you have to verify your account first on Coinbase. If you added the payment method, you can select it in this list. After that, you can head back to this overview and click on Review Order. Now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, we are purchasing for 2 euros. The total amount we are spending is also 2 euros because we don't pay any fees on Coinbase. That is because we have a Coinbase One subscription. Then you will pay no Coinbase fees when you are buying crypto. So if you would like to add these coins to your wallet, then you have to click Buy Now and they will be added directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful, and if you would like to get 80 euros of free crypto, don't forget to check out the link in the description about the video on how to get 80 euros of free crypto on Coinbase. We would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial, and as I already said, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. See you guys, bye bye.